So something came through this morning, and through this morning's inspired energy that I think I woke up with. And this piece called itself, because I don't feel like I'm doing the writing so much, but this piece called itself "Your Beautiful Face." So I'm going to read it now and try to look into the camera at the same time as much as possible. So, your beautiful face. There's a whole world out there, child, where life throbs with magic and beauty, right on the other side of your comfort zone. Your hesitant trembling, your sweet shaking is normal, child. The immensity of the freedom you are now faced with would make the strongest of trees bow down in humility. A whole world of light and colors are right out there, child, on the other side of everyday fear. The glimmers on the ocean are waiting for you. The sun wants to shine on you. The wind cannot wait to lick your skin. Everything an invitation. Wounds are waiting for the healing balm only you are capable of. Conflicts are looking for your courage to finally disentangle themselves. Everything is waiting for you. Your apprehensive shyness is appropriate love, and that too is God. Your wanting to stay under the covers, your hiding your face is normal, child. That too is God. Are you ready to see, everywhere you look, your own beautiful face? I know it feels too much, child, this immense love you're dissolving into. And the fear that troubles your tender heart, know that it too is God. Unimaginable beauty, undeniable terror, profound pain, and limitless joy are all waiting for you.